I have the honor of being your final challenge. To continue in your quest, you must defeat me in unarmed combat. Shall we begin? You have defeated me. You are worthy, Chosen One. Greetings, Chosen. I have the honor of being your final challenge. To continue in your quest, you must defeat me in unarmed combat. Shall we begin? What would you like to know? The path of the Chosen One is not an easy trail to walk, Chosen. You will be faced with many challenges throughout your lifetime, and the most difficult of these will be dealing with your fellow man. There will come a time when diplomacy and tact will prove to be useless, and your hand must be raised instead. This challenge prepares you to face another human. Look him in the eyes, and know that you may have to kill him. You may be correct, Chosen, but not in our current situation. You must defeat me to succeed in your trial. I see your point. I wouldn't want to be responsible for killing you when all I meant to do is test your mettle. Very well. You may pass, Chosen One. Greetings, Chosen. I have the honor of... Very well. Return and tell me when you are ready for your challenge.